Want to retrieve your Elementor Pro license key? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find it so you can start building like a pro in minutes. First, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Open your browser and head to Elementor.com, the official Elementor website. Log in with your credentials. And once you're in, click the profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down, select Subscriptions. If you've purchased Elementor Pro, you'll see your active plan here. Click Manage this subscription. On the next page, your license key will be displayed under your plan. Click the Copy button next to it. And that's it. So, now, are you ready to design like a pro? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.